Okay, here's a video related to accessing the data on a smartphone via cables. In some cases you might not be able to transfer your data to a computer, and that's because some cables are only charge cables and other cables are for charging and data transfer. So I'm connecting the charge cable to the computer and the USB. The phone just vibrated, and as you can see there's a Thunderbolt sign there at the battery, and the battery is being charged. But that's it. It's not asking us to access the PC. Okay, and if I disconnect this cable, the Thunderbolt sign disappeared once again. Cable is back, charging is done, but no file access. Okay, and on the PC there is no G3 here in the file explorer. Okay, but if I use the other cable, it's also a USB cable, but look, there's a difference. It's asking us whether we want to allow it to access the PC or not. If I tap allow, then I can access it on the computer, plus it is charging. There's the Thunderbolt sign on the battery. And on the computer, G3 is there, plus there, because it's an LG G3. And we can see both of them, the internal storage and the memory card. So if you can't access your data from a computer, then make sure you're not using a charge cable, but a data transfer cable. Charges and transfers data also.